Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your iPad is updated, iTunes or Finder is current, and you have the official cable. Plug the cable into the iPad and the computer. When prompted, tap Trust on the iPad. If a passcode appears, enter it quickly so the device can authorize. Once done, open iTunes or Finder, look for the device icon. You do this now because authorization and software compatibility prevent connection errors later, and you will move directly into syncing and settings. You now interact with iTunes or Finder to configure how the iPad communicates. Click the device icon, then open Summary or General. Read the listed options so you control backups and sync behavior. Choose whether to encrypt backups for passwords and health data. Set specific sync items, music, photos, podcasts, so only needed content transfers. If you prefer wireless, enable Wi-Fi syncing and apply changes. The iPad will sync when on the same network. This step ensures consistent transfers and preserves data integrity. You complete the process by clicking Apply and then Sync, watching progress bars until finished, and ejecting the iPad before unplugging. If something goes wrong, first restart both devices and reconnect using a different USB port or cable. This fixes most physical handshake issues. Make sure you tap Trust on the iPad and that iTunes/Finder shows the device. On Windows, update the Apple Mobile Device Driver. On iPad, reset location and privacy if prompts won't appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.